Welcome to 12 Days of Christmas. On today's video, we are going to be doing some thrifted Christmas gifts. I'm going to show you what I got from the thrift store, and then I'm going to show you how I would wrap it all up. I'm going to be doing two gifts. So the first one, I got this basket. I paid $2.49 for this basket. It's cute, and then it can be reused for home decorations or storage. I also got this little basket, which I felt the same. It can be used again for Easter or just some home decor in the bathroom. I found this teapot and I absolutely love the floral design on it. I love that it's like kind of speckled and the flower is really, really beautiful. And then the wicker handle is really cute as well. There is a small chip on the very, very front of it that I don't think really anybody will notice. It's not going to affect the way that it works. For that gift, I found some cups to go with it, some little teacups. I only found 3, and there was a lady in line who helped me decide if I was going to get 2 or 3 because I wasn't sure if 3 was weird. But I'll show you what they look like up close. They're really beautiful. They have a similar vibe going on. These are Nordic Progression China, made in Japan. The style is Blue Moon 9022. Anybody knows what that means? Let me know in the comments down below. I paid $2.49 a piece for these cups. And then I found this little jar for $3.49. I love the texture on it. The top comes off. It is like a sealed jar, so whatever you put in here will stay for a little bit. I found this Bath & Body Works candle that has never been lit. This is Japanese Cherry Blossom. That's one of my favorite scents. I absolutely love Japanese Cherry Blossom. And it says Bath & Body Works on the top, but it doesn't say it anywhere on the side, which I liked. And I paid $3.49 for that. And this is really exciting because I will be able to use what I don't use later on for something else. I found all of these glass amber jars. Some of them have like pumps, some of them have like squeezy tubes. I paid $5.49 for this bag, and then I also got this bag, and these ones have the blue glass, one that's green, and they have just like a screw on top. So I thought that would be great for other things. I could use them for other things like spells or what have you. That is my haul. Let me show you what I would do with each individual gift. So the first gift is this tea set with this basket. The first thing we have to do is get these stickers off. The best way to do that is with a damp paper towel, and basically you will get it wet with warm water and just stick it on, and then the stickers will just peel right off. So I'm gonna do that. Here's my wet paper towel, and I'm literally just going to rip and stick it right on there, and I like to press it down to make sure that it's actually like getting the sticker wet. And then I'm gonna leave it for like 5 minutes. So I'm gonna do that to all of my jars, even the ones for our other gift. I'm gonna let those sit for 5 minutes and then we'll peel the stickers off. All right, it's been 5 minutes, which means it's been no minutes for you because of editing magic, but basically they just peel right off. I'm gonna go take this all over to the sink and wash it and dry it, and then we're gonna put everything together. I have now washed and dried everything. I took the tag off of my basket. I'm gonna start building the basket. I'm first going to start with the tea kettle, and then I'm going to add my cups. And in this cup, I'm going to put some tea. I have a ton of Lipton tea. Add this right into the basket. I'm actually gonna put it right over here. And what I think I wanna do is maybe have the cups upside down. And then stick the tea right in here somewhere. I have some ribbon left over from my wedding, so I'm just going to tie some ribbon around here. Here's what it looks like all finished. I'm really excited to give this for the white elephant gift. I think anybody is going to really love this. For the last basket, obviously take the receipt out. This is going to be like a my favorites kind of a basket. We're gonna stick our candle inside. I made some little labels for the glass bottles. Then I'm going to add my favorite moisturizer in here, which is the CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion, and I'm literally just going to pump it in there. Put the lid on. My favorite face wash is the La Roche-Posay for normal to oily skin. So I'm just gonna do the same thing and add it into here. Add the lid. And now we have my two favorite skincare products that I will add to the basket. And for our little jar, I'm going to add some Epsom salt. This is the rose Epsom salt. I like the lavender one too, but the rose one just smells divine. Add the lid. Then we can take our basket and put it in our basket. Now we have a basket of all of my favorites, and I'm going to take some ribbon, also from my wedding. I think I'm gonna tie it right in front. And there are our two baskets complete. All right, here are our gift baskets with all of our thrifted items in them. I absolutely love how they came out. I think this one is my favorite only because honestly I want to keep this teacup set for myself, but Kyle would kill me because we have so many cups. I don't need any more cups, and I really think that somebody's gonna love this. And this basket is so great to personalize anything and so that you can share all the things that you love with your loved ones. I would love to know what you guys think of these baskets in the comments down below. You definitely don't have to make something personalized. So there are tons of options that you can do and tons of gifts that you can give from the thrift store. Definitely check that out if you're wanting to do a more personalized gift. I hope you enjoyed this video. Tomorrow's video, we're gonna be doing another home DIY. So don't forget to subscribe, share this video with a friend, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. What do you think? What do you think of all the things Mommy got?